Check it out. The universe provides. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. All right, now you present my work as distraction. You're there, distract the car. Here's some light. What? What the hell is that?
I need a plane. So you cannot be in here. This is a private airfield.
I understand that, but I'm working in this school right now. Needs to get transported ASAP.